So this problem is also from 4.5, but it's different from the fence because we have to create our own function. So x is going to be the number over 500 produced. Our profit's going to be 500 plus x. That's how many engines over how much they cost. Now remember, the reason it's 0.5 times x is for every extra one, it goes down 50 cents. So that's where it is. Now, if we multiply this all out, and of course you have a calculator, so don't have to do this by hand. Then combine things that are alike, and I like to put my big exponents first. You don't have to, but that's what I do. Now I just take the derivative. I set it equal to 0. And so x is 500. Now be very careful. That is not what I asked for in the problem. I said how many engines did they need to make? We already knew they were already making 500, and then the problem told me I need to make 500 more. So the total engines is 1,000. If you put your answer as 500, it's going to be wrong. Now, as far as finding the other stuff, well, the price we know is just $7.50 minus 0.5 times the extra. Notice, this is the extra. This is over the original 500. So this is my x. So I just do times 500, and I actually get 500 here. That's a coincidence. It's just the way the numbers worked out. As far as my profit, again, I have a formula for profit. I just plug in what my x is. These problems, you need to pay real close attention to what they're asking for. And remember, when you solve for x, that's not always the answer. It depends on what they're asking for. Yes, I do need to make 500 extra engines, but the question wanted to know how many total engines. That's why the answer was 1,000.